Saving money sounds responsible. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Saving money alone is one of the biggest reasons most people stay poor. We're taught from childhood to save money. Save your salary. Save for emergencies. Save for the future. And while saving is important, most people never move beyond it. That's where the problem begins. Imagine you save $100 every month. You put it in a savings account. It feels safe. But that money is slowly losing value. Why? Because of inflation. If inflation is higher than the interest your savings earn, you're actually losing purchasing power every year. When you deposit money in a bank, the bank doesn't just store it. They lend it out. They invest it. They make profits from it. And in return, they give you a very small percentage. Your money is working hard, just not for you. This doesn't mean saving money is useless. Saving has one main purpose: protection, emergency funds, short-term needs, peace of mind. But saving alone was never designed to make you wealthy. Wealth is built when money is put to work. That usually means assets, skills, businesses, or systems that grow faster than inflation. The difference is simple. Saving preserves money. Assets grow money. The mistake most people make is stopping at saving. If you want to understand money better, not just save it, this channel explains it simply. Subscribe to Simple Money Lab for more clear explanations about how money really works.